Baby right there.
14 weeks.
Baby.
His arms and legs.
Baby.
Too early to see the sex.
A little bit.
Mother.
Sorry.
Mother. Mother.
Depending on the position, then you'll be able to know.
About what?
Oh, the baby.
No, the sex?
Uh-huh.
Age.
Oh.
You're 14.
Can I see one
And
of
15 is the
them?
earliest I can tell with any accuracy.
Can I see the baby?
It's in there. Mommy in the TV. Look at the
It's
TV.
hard to tell right now.
Baby.
See right there, baby. See the baby? Mommy gonna be so happy.
Where did the baby go?
Well, it's because the way he's moving the...
Baby heart.
Yeah.
Hi.
Stop. Scoot back. Watch. See? It shows the baby. And then we'll... Sit down. Stop. Stand over there by your stroller.
Well, guess what? You're done. Wipe it up like that.
There you go, Mom.
Here's some pictures for you. I'll give you my card if you want to put it on the DVD.